Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I have a huge set from, I'm sorry I'm butchering the name, Yayoge, some call it Yayoge. You'll have to stick it into Google Translate to get the proper pronunciation because I just can't say it. This is their Magnetic Series Light Water Cat Eye Magnetic Water Shine Glitter Lacquer Series 10 milliliter 0.3 ounce bottles. They sent me their base, their top, their series of 12 gel magnetic polishes. This is the light spring type color set. And I took some swatch pictures earlier, which I'll put up. Those all have 2 coats of polish on each one. And I have them on swatch sticks here. And I still do them through the magic of peel off base coats. I still have the nails. Yes, I just peeled these right off. So this is what 1 coat would look like. In my picture is 2 coats. You can also just put it on here to show you. Obviously this isn't the nail it came off of. And if you want it over a dark color, that's what it would look like. And I played around with the magnet. Every nail has something different I played with, and I will play with it at the end of the video to show you the strength of the magnet. So that's 1. And this is number 2. 1 coat, 2 coats, 2 coats in the picture. And what it would look like over a dark color, specifically black. This is a gorgeous spring set. It arrived quite fast. I was thoroughly shocked how fast it arrived. I didn't want you to sit here while me swatching all 12 colors. This is number 3, a gorgeous purple. 1 coat, 2 coats, 2 coats over black. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. This is number 4. 1 coat, 2 coats in the picture, and 2 coats right here. So it depends on what your preference is, how you want it to look. It's gorgeous just by itself. I've got some more stuff to tell you about this that I noticed after I peeled them off. Number 5 is this gorgeous color. I didn't do any of the magnetic work on here. And here's what it be on me. And here's what it looks like over black. See that cat eye effect with the magnet? It's so pretty. I didn't do any here. This is only 1 coat. But it's got this gorgeous, gorgeous sheen. There is a discount code I'll put on your screen and list below. This is number 6. This is the only blue in the collection. But it's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. They're all gorgeous. Look at that. That is a gorgeous blue. Purple, blue, pink, those are right up my colors. I love them. This is their brightest pink in the collection. This is number 7. 1 coat, 2 coats in my picture, and right here. And if you were wanting to make it even darker, put it over the black. Yay, number 7. Number 8, I'm sorry, number 8. This is number 8 with 1 coat, no magnet play. This is with a cat eye magnet. This is how it would look over black. I mean, you really see that cat eye. I just didn't do it here. You can see it. But we're just to be wearing it. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous spring shade. Love it. So that was 8. Is number 9. A pretty yellow color. It's got gold-like shimmers in it. Look at that. Woo! I mean, oh. And if you wanted to go dark. Again, all my bottle rings are 1 coat. All my swatch pictures are 2 coats. So 1 coat without the magnet, 2 coats with the magnet over black. If I were wearing it. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. And for 11, this is the lightest one in the collection, but it is stunning, stunning, stunning. Look at that. So if you don't want to be too bold, that would be the perfect one. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. All of these are gorgeous. I want to wear all of them at one time, but I only have 10 fingers. Originally, I was going to put them on all my fingers. I've only got 10 fingers. And this is the final color, number 12. It's like a steel color. Oh, it's so pretty. Like a blue steel. I don't know how you describe this. But they're all so pretty. There's not one that I don't like in this collection. This is a totally Nails of Interest collection. Look at that. I didn't do the cat eye on this one. All of them do the cat eye really well. Let's see if I got another one. Another peely sitting here. This one I played around with the magnet a little bit. It makes some cool patterns in there. It's really hard to show. I was having a hard time when I was taking my pictures to show. A couple of the colors look the same, but I will show you right here. We'll pull them all right back out. About that, I decided to get out a sheet of white paper so you could see the true color differences. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. These two are the closest matching. 4 and 9? Yeah, 4 and 9 are the only two that are very, very similar. And let's see, I may have got my peelies mixed up. No, it's 4 and 10. 10 is a little bit lighter than 4, and it has a different kind of shine to it. I may have got my peels messed up. So they are indeed very different. Different, not like a huge difference, but pretty good difference. So these are this whole set of 12. I'm going to show you how the magnet works really quick. I don't know if I mentioned it now, but I did try the base, the top coat, and one of the colors on a family member. It worked great. She loved it. So let's dig in and show you here. It's really, really good. I'll show you over. Normally how you do it is you put one coat on, you cure it, come back, put your second coat on, don't cure it, you get out your magnet, and then you play. See the little cat eye? That is so cool. And then they have the other end of the magnet. You can play around. You just hover it over, but you don't touch. It's really hard to get to show up. Look at that. That's so cool. Let's show you the same color over black. So you want to be bold, wear it over black. You're tired of the spring colors. By all means, you can do that. So cure with the first coat. And let's just play with this end of the magnet. It's so pretty. It's just so cool, isn't it? It's just so cool. And you swipe it again with your brush if you want to reset the entire color scheme. As soon as you get the design that you desire, you can just cure it in your lamp or flash cure it to lock it in. That's just so cool. Look, you can make a cat eye and a little galaxy look. Magnets are fun to play with. So two totally different looks depending on what your base nail color is. Thank you to the Yayoge company for sending me these gorgeous colors. Thank you for being here with me today. I do want to give you some tips on this still. None of these have any really strong odor to them or anything. I don't smell any nail polish in them. So these seem to be gels. They do last. The lady's been wearing it over a week now. She's had no problems. So thank you to the Yayoge company for sending me these awesome set of cat eye gel polishes. I will put the swatch pictures back at the end of the video. Thank you for being here with me today playing with these. Have a great day everybody. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.